Maybe this is a good time to break down and understand what spiritual growth and development is, or as this person put, spiritually affected. Whether we like it or not, whether we want to or don't want to, spiritual growth and development is your life. Your life is your soul, your spirit, they accumulate experience and therefore they are growing. That's what spiritual growth is. It's not separate from you only spiritually grow when you do these practices on Saturdays from 12 to 4. Spiritual growth and development is your life. It's what you do 24/7, 365. Spiritual growth and development and spirituality, yeah, aside from all the junk that has exploded in today's society and world and what it means and what it's not, spiritual growth and development is your life. It's the experience you accumulate and the types of experiences you accumulate throughout your life. Whether you actively work on yourself, or whether you are a driver, a truck driver, or you are you work in IT, or whatever your occupation is, whatever you do, even people who go clubbing, smoking, drink, they are in a way spiritually growing because they're accumulating those negative experiences until they've had enough. And now they can move elsewhere. They can move in the opposite direction towards stopping those destructive behaviors. Or they start growing into the negative system, but that's a topic for a different time. I help and I lead people who grow upwards towards light, towards positive transformation, positive growth and development, towards creation, restoration, healing, and freedom.